Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Cody Carpenter here from the YouTube channel Cody Knows. In this short video, I just want to show you guys the success I've had with Fiverr. As you can see, I'm in the back office for my Fiverr account, and if you take a look under earnings, my net income for my entire time as a Fiverr seller is $2,158.40. And this is cold hard cash that I can withdraw right to my PayPal account. So as you can see, I've withdrawn $1,941.40 worth of Fiverr sales. I've used $90 towards purchases. There's $72 pending clearance, and I have $53 available for withdraw. I have created a new training course, codyknows.com/Fiverr training. I show you all the methods that I use to make this money. And let me assure you, I work completely part-time with Fiverr. These results could be scaled up, but I simply just don't have the time running all my other training courses and stuff like that. But every single thing that I teach you is completely free. I did not spend $1 of my money to make over $2,000 with Fiverr. If you take a look down here, these are the funds that are pending clearance. As soon as you make a Fiverr sale, it takes about 2 weeks for the funds to clear and be available for withdraw. And you can withdraw the money to your PayPal. You can get your own Fiverr revenue card, or you can just set up direct deposit. It's super simple. So I want to give you a little taste of what is included in my Fiverr training course. So I show you how I started out with Fiverr, and it was just by simply sharing website links, affiliate links to Facebook groups. I know it sounds super simple, like who would pay for that? But you would be surprised at if you can write the Fiverr gig really well and really sell your service of posting links to Facebook groups, a lot of people will be interested in buying it. And then the second method is what I still do today. It's just creating keyword lists using the Google Keyword Planner. So when people are trying to make their ad campaigns for, let's say, Google AdWords or Bing Ads, they need keyword lists. And not a lot of people know how to use the Google Keyword Planner. And I show you how to do that. I show you how to create hundreds of keywords within a minute using the Google Keyword Planner, and people will pay a lot of money for that. I also show you how to perform professional SEO keyword research. It is a huge market for Fiverr. So many people have websites now, and to get professional keyword research is ideal for their websites to be successful. And you might be thinking, oh, I can't do professional SEO keyword research, but let me assure you, it is not as hard as it sounds, and I show you step by step how to do it. And then I also show you how to create logos with the free website canva.com. People pay so much money for logos. I kind of go into Facebook covers, YouTube custom thumbnails, all that good stuff. So if you're even slightly creative, you can make a lot of money on Fiverr creating logos. Those are just few of the things that I have personally done to make over $2,000 with Fiverr, working completely part-time. And you guys can really capitalize on your earnings if you take it serious. Like I said, I don't have the time to do it. This is something I do. I maybe sit down at my computer maybe 3 times a week for 20 minutes and fulfill these orders. I'm not saying that I'm getting rich off Fiverr. But $2,000 is a lot of money. $2,000 can go a long way. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how I was able to do it without spending a single dollar of my money to create these orders. So if you're interested, there's going to be a link in the description. Click it. It's going to be super cheap. And yeah, I'll see you on the inside if you guys want to start making money with Fiverr. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.